Okay, welcome guys to our channel. Today we are going to talk about ERP. So basically we are going to learn about what is ERP, why it is used, its advantages. So let's get started. So ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Basically ERP is a software that integrates all the business processes of an organization. Here integrate means all the departments of an organization communicate with each other in real time. So in traditional system, what used to happen? Each department have its own data, but if any other department wants to access or view the data of other department, it was not possible in real time. So with the help of ERP software, it is possible for each department to communicate with each other in real time. So now you may ask why there is need of any department of an organization to communicate with each other in real time. So to understand this, let's take an real-time example. So suppose we receive an order for a particular product from a customer and this order goes to sales department. Now sales department check whether this product is available or not in our warehouse. So to check this, sales department should have access of warehouse department's data, but in traditional system it is not possible. So here ERP system comes into picture. So if sales department wants to view the data of warehouse department with the help of ERP, the data of warehouse department is stored centrally and sales department can view that data to check whether product is available or not. With the help of this, it saves time. Otherwise, what used to happen in traditional system, if sales department wants to communicate or view the data of warehouse department, they have to connect through email or phone, which takes time, and till the time we get reply from that warehouse department, our customer might go, so which results in loss in revenue for an organization. So to reduce this kind of losses, ERP system is very important. So now you might have understand why it is important for each department to communicate with each other in real time. रियल टाइम मतलब अभी के अभी कि प्रोडक्ट वेयर हाउस में अवेलेबल है या नहीं. So now let's understand the advantages of ERP system. It helps in integrating different departments in real time. Second one, standardization of business process. Standardization मतलब same business process can be applied for all the locations of an organization anywhere in the world. Third one, better reporting. Better reporting means we can have central, as we have central database, we can have one report for all departments. Fourth one, better utilization of resources, that is man, machine, material, etc. So these are the main advantages of ERP system. Hope you all have understand this topic. If you have any questions, please do let me know in comments. Till then, see you soon in the next video.